Okay, let's get to work. I like to have fun in the kitchen, so I'm using my favorite pan to tenderize that meat, and then I'm just gonna do a little bit of cleanup. I'll also fillet that chicken. That way it'll cook a little bit more evenly and faster. Now I've got to spice this up. I'm using a mixture of salt, pepper, garlic and onion powder, some smoked paprika, and cayenne pepper. You'll notice here, as I lay the protein or the chicken into my pan, I'm always laying it away from me. That helps control and minimize splashing and burns. I'll cover that up and let it cook a little bit, and then I'm going to go ahead and flip these right over. You may also notice here something else that I'm doing is I'm rearranging the pieces of chicken in the pan. I'm moving the larger pieces towards the center. That way, if your stovetop does not cook evenly, it's something to be aware of. That way you'll make sure that all of your protein is being cooked evenly, the same pace. You won't have some that are undercooked and overcooked or have to cook some a little bit longer. Just be aware of that. While the chicken is finishing up, I'm gonna go ahead and prep my ingredients. I've got tomato, lettuce, and pickles, of course. Look at this chicken. This is just fantastic. I'm going to now leave that chicken rest a little bit and cook up some bacon. I've covered that up to speed up that process. We'll make it nice and crispy. And here we go. We're gonna add some cheese and then layer this right back in the pan and cover it up to melt that cheese. We'll go ahead and move on to construction time. I've got a nice toasty bun here. That easy recipe, of course, is on my YouTube channel. I've got some nice mayo. You can use garlic mayo here if you'd like as well. Do me a favor as well. Go ahead, smash that like button, subscribe to the channel. That way you can see all my great recipes and we'll be able to cook and learn together. So we'll finish this off with lettuce, tomatoes, loads and loads of pickles. I love pickles inside my sandwich. And of course, the star of the show is our spiced up and flavorful chicken. And there's that nice crispy bacon. Special treat today, of course, here I have sun-dried tomatoes, the ultimate chicken sandwich.
Like a champ right there. Chicken and bacon ultimate sandwich. Oh, it's gonna be good. Boom! Woo! That is good. That's got some flavor to it. Wow. Please also remember, like, comment, subscribe, and share. Turn that notification button on. That way you can see every time I post a new great recipe right away. Until next time, happy cooking. Oh, this one's delicious. Off the charts delicious.